You've probably never seen Beijing like this. At dawn, the market is open. 40 minutes drive from downtown, you'll find a place full of hustle and bustle where some people still pay back cash. This tradition dates back to at least 1,000 years ago in China and still brings joy to people today. So, sit back and relax. Let's get this delicious journey started.
各位市民朋友们，欢迎来到沙河大集。
The open-air markets can usually be found in suburban areas. No dress code, no social pressure. It's a perfect escape for people from the city.
这是柯基吗？
日本才能斗船。
In winter, the market is all about atmosphere. Hele noodles, a special kind of noodle dish, is not that familiar to many Chinese people. We call a hele noodle maker the bed of the noodles. It produces thick and chewy noodles that goes well with gravy or broth. It is a little bit like Italian spaghetti but more distinct in taste because of the buckwheat. People from northeastern China are famous for their toughness. So is their food.
来，乡亲们啊，来喝点羊杂汤，喝点羊杂汤，完了煮的热乎的啊！最多3个小时，做回寄回来了，嘎嘎新鲜，嘎嘎甜的。走个西瓜大饼，嘎嘎香啊！
Flatten the dough ball and toss it into the boiling oil. The dough soon puffs up, turning crispy and golden brown. Zhou's recipe of smoked pork contains over 30 ingredients. The juicy, tender, and fragrant pork is Zhou's secret weapon in his wrap. Chop it up, and don't forget the sauce. Fat and carbs, definitely a comfort food in winter times. The whole of North China is in this market, and the main northern crop, wheat, is everywhere. This one is a little kung fu. The special oven is driven from hundreds of miles away from East China's Shandong province.
来几个哥，来一个。买一个尝尝好吃的下去再来。这是老面肥发的也。
This oven uses clay near China's Yellow River and handmade by the vendor with charcoals underneath to bake. Season with pepper and salt. Cut it into shapes like chrysanthemum. Finish with honey syrup and swiftly put into the oven. The technique usually takes years to master. Not everyone can do it. The freshly baked flatbread is crusty on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, striking a great balance between salty and sweet.
这个烧饼给那个剩下的羊骨汤吃还是绝配。
Yes, he's definitely right.
老板，两羊汤。好嘞，大块吃肉啊。
Slow-cooked mutton soup is another hearty delicacy from Shandong province. It's perfect for warming up in winter.
这都是老客户了。
真是老客户了。
Zhou's store has stood in the market for 13 years. His family recipe has been passed down from his grandfather. Chop the lamb offal, pour the broth. Ground white pepper is crucial for the mutton soup to balance its richness and aroma. One mutton soup costs around $2. Pretty reasonable, but remember to get a flatbread as the side.
那为啥就您的生意好呢？
那咱不知道，因为是好吃呗。
Eating in the open air is not what Chinese people usually do, but that's how you experience the market. Clever shoppers know when to buy for a good price. It's when the market is about to close. With so many good delicacies and produce from everywhere, you never leave empty-handed. The Chinese New Year is a good reason for shopping, and also a good reason for reunions. Many vendors will go home on New Year's Eve. They say if you walk on the first day of the new year, the whole year will be tough.
新年的愿就是都来玩，回家过年快乐。
多挣钱。
还有
买房买车。
老人孩子身体健康了是吧？事业身体健康，就这样，很简单，挺好，挺好。
People love the open air market because it's just like the city of Beijing. It's big. It embraces everything and everyone. You can always find things you want and return home with a good haul. The market may not be perfect, but in the place not far from the urban hustle, it gives people a place to relax, a reason to let their guard down, which reminds us of the new year from our childhood memories.